and welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soap Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke nge-Genesis. Well guys, njengoba nazi ukuthi mangabe ke kuzoba umsombuluko siyaye sishare ukuthi yini ongase-ke uyilindele ey'torini zakhe-ke oyithanda kakhulu. So namhlanje guys sikhuluma ke nge-Genesis. As you know, nge-Genesis ukuthi-ke uBonko-ke waxoshwa, but bese ngazi ukuthi uBonko uzoqhubeka-ke ahluphe laphana, and i-board members, yonke i-board izovele-ke i-resign, ishiye-ke umsebenzi, and uFelicia uzovela athathe iy'khiye ayinike uBonko athi-ke bhutiwe qhubeka-ke shem nebhizinisi ngoba nakho wena awufuni ukuhamba, noma wenza iphutha awufuni ukuhamba. But I feel like guys, this is so wrong for uBonko, because ngampela akazi ukuthi ubani walikha akusiyeni walikha ke album kaMaruna, and umsizi no Gabriel, they keep on winning, and njengoba guys ukuthi-ke njengamanje they took ingoma kaMpumi bayithatha, umsizi wathi uyena uyibhalile, yahamba guys yaya i-Revelation, befika i-Revelation bayinika-ke uBasetsana, who is Maruna in real life, and ingoma vele guys belongs to her, and but uzoyicula ke guys uBasetsana ingoma leaving uMpumi ke shem ephindwa yilokho kudala ke kumbe ngihlakalela ukuthi ke angadumi futhi. So yeah guys, I feel like ama-writers they make uGabriel awine njalo, and we don't like that. And on the other side guys, ukuthi lezi ngane lezi ey'hambile zake eDurban mase kufanele ibuye, especially for uboyfriend kaNobuhle, uIshmael, akasazi uzobuya kanjani-ke laphaya kubo la ahlala khona kwaHlophe, uzongena kanjani phela bavele bahamba ama-road trip kanjani guys, ekubeni isimo sasenje. But nje uFelicia guys uyagowa, akagowi ukufamba emoyeni. As for owethu confront uBonko, ambuza ukuthi ngampela lento ethiwa yenzekile phakathi kwakho noMaruna yenzeke ngampela yini. And yeah guys, that's what we can expect on Genesis this week. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave a comment below and share your opinion. Bye.